Hi, welcome to my collage workshop. I'm going to lead you through making a simple collage portrait, either using an existing photograph or an imaginary face that you produce out of different kinds of collage pieces. The kind of collage I do is made out of old discarded books. I use old magazines as well. A knife, scissors, cutting mats, metal ruler, glue, and a bunch of colored paper or old magazines or old books. I've got this very nice shape of a swan. I think I might like to have a swan made of flowers. I like these flowers the best, so I'm going to put them facing away. I'm going to just roughly cut around my swan. You have to start with a simple shape for this technique. I'm going to put my swan onto that paper and stick it down. You might need a little bit of extra power to cut through two pieces like this. And now I think I've got it. So here is a swan shape. And here is this one made of flowers. I'm gonna cut this little yellow moth. So I'm cutting a little bit inside the image because I really don't like getting white edges. And I'm not twisting my hand too much. I'm spinning the paper around instead of my hand. So there's my little moth. I'm lucky enough to have this big photograph of my friend Emma Gibson. I took this photograph of her many years ago and I've been looking forward to making it into a portrait for her. So Emma is a warrior woman fighting for the natural world. I might like to make her portrait about images from the living world, and I'm just gonna see how they work together. So I've cut out all of these beautiful green leaves. They're giving her a kind of eye decoration, but they look really great together. Of course, I prepared all of these cuttings before. So I think I'm doing a kind of green and yellow theme for this portrait. I think I'm quite happy with this, so now I'm going to stick it down. I use a little lid of some kind to put it on so I don't have to stick my brush right down in the glue. A nice little brush, and I also have a little bit of water, and that is mainly so that I can wash the brushes. And then I'm just carefully sticking it down. I'm right down to the very last piece. I'm taking good care to get the glue right to the edge of the image. I'm just gonna make the moth join between her eyes. Yeah, I love it. Here's the completed portrait. Here's the other kind of making a face collage when you haven't got a great big face to begin with. I've just got a piece of black paper and these are the swans that I prepared earlier. Do you know what? I'm going to say that they are the eyes. Here's a very hairy eyebrow. Here's a leafy eyebrow like the one that we gave to Emma May. Here is a nose made out of kangaroo paw. actually I'm going to use a mouth cut out of a magazine to anchor the sense that this is a little face.